Wine. It's choreographed by Malene Jakobsen. It is a 32 count 4-wall absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Glass of Wine. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to stomp your right foot forward into the right diagonal. You're now going to swivel your left heel in, left toe in, left heel in. We're now going to stomp our left foot into the left diagonal. Swivel your right heel in, right toe in, right heel in. You want to make sure that you're keeping your weight on your left foot to end that section. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stomping with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do diagonal back touches. So you're going to step your right foot back and slightly back into that right diagonal, touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. You're now going to step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left, clap your hands. We're going to repeat that, stepping our right foot back into the diagonal, touch and clap. Step your left foot back into the diagonal, touch and clap. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine with a cross. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're now going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, cross your right over your left, and then step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your vine with a cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step forward with your right, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a jazz box cross, crossing your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the next wall. So let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stomping into that right diagonal. It's stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, cross, side, rock, back, recover, quarter pivot, jazz box with a cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stomping with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now some styling things that are going to help make that vine with a cross and your side rock flow a little bit smoother. When you get to this cross section, when you rock to the right, you want to make sure that your hip travels with that foot, right? So we step and that hip is going to slightly rotate so that your hips are now pointed more towards the left instead of the right, so that you can go cross side. That little extra with your hip will help make that motion feel smoother. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, you're stomping with your right. Stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine with a cross. Side rock, cross side. Rock back, recover, quarter pivot in your jazz box. Now stomp, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, cross, side, rock, back, recover, step, quarter pivot, jazz box with a cross start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Glass of Wine. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.